Welcome to Mandara Loft. Beautiful Florida sunshine. Some new birds. These are all my not all my babies. This is a few babies that I raised that are different colors. I have Isabellas now coming. Little yellow splash. This little tortoise grizzle. This is a muleman. I got a chocolate in the back. Let's see if I got a pointer. Something I can point with to show. It don't move too good. Okay. This here is out of the 900-mile cockbird. This is, I believe, some people would call it a khaki, what do you call a dun, but I believe it's more of a brown. I'm not 100% sure yet of the colors. I have a little yellow splash. I have two yellow saddles. This is a chocolate out of my friends that I bought a couple of weeks ago. These, believe it or not, see these grizzles here? Those are opals. Those come out of opal check saddle and a white bar saddle. Here's another one right here. This is out of a Huskin Van Reel from Lou Coletta, crossed onto those chocolate white bar, white checkers saddles, Bastine, and I guess that would be Huskin Van Reel. This one, again, is the white bars. This is the white bars. This is the nestmate to that. So that's yellow, and what they call a skipper or something. It's like a white grizzle. It's used to make almonds. I haven't gotten an almond yet because I haven't crossed them to the dark T pattern. And this little red, which looks like a red, it's not a red. This is a chocolate, believe it or not. Right back here. Come on, baby. Let everybody look at you. I'm not gonna move. Come on, move. Get out of the way. See that red checker right there? You'll see the tail. You're gonna make me go back there and move it. He is actually a deep, deep chocolate. Can you move, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay, and right back there. That's a chocolate, dark chocolate. I think that's going to be a nice bird. I thought it was a red checker when it was growing up, and as I see the dark tail and the dark flights, it looks more like a chocolate, or what the hell do they call them again? Indigos. So most of these are like opals, Andalusians, like this here. A man wrote me on my page and said he believes that that one cock that raised these is a double Andalusian. And I seem to believe him now because almost everything he throws is Andalusians. I haven't gotten anything light. This back here is out of the white checkers. That grizzle. I put these out because I wanted to show them. I don't know how many birds we're going to have to race this year because of this flu going around. So if nothing else, I'll sell the whole team and I'll play with these. I got a guy calling me from Miami. He's wanting a pair of whites, but my wife won't let me do anything right now. She don't want nobody in the yard because of this epidemic going around. But even though we're not that heavy over here, but she's still afraid it's going to come. for that. Okay, next thing I wanted to talk to you about was feed. To save money, I was getting racing feed. I was getting it out of West Palm. I go to Spring Hill. I get it from all over. But now, I'm getting it from a local feed store. It's not regular feed, it's hog finisher pellets. And I remember 30 years, 40 years ago, closer to 40 years ago, when I came down, I didn't have much money. And I was feeding my birds hog pellets, and I raced with it, and they did very well. So I figured, well, we're not racing or anything else. It's half the price. It's $16 a bag, and it's cheaper to take care of the birds with. It's a little messy because it gives them the loose droppings. I haven't started it yet. I'm going to start as soon as I finish my grain feed. I have about 4 more bags. As soon as that's done, I'll be buying the pellets. It'll be half the price and a lot easier for me to go get because it's local. I got maybe 2 blocks from the house. There's a, what do you call their feed store? They sell hay and rabbit food and stuff like that, and hog pellets, horse grain. I'll be getting it from them. And that's what I'm doing there. I put these out because my friend Bobby was showing some youngsters. And I says, oh, I got to show Bobby mine, being he don't come down here no more because of the virus. And this is the only way we get to show off our birds. I like this little tortoise, if you can see it right here. Look at the pattern on him. He's a sweet little bird. I was going to fly it. I changed my mind. I put it in a breeding loft. You can see it doesn't have no tail band or nothing. It's got that Andalusian tail. Believe it or not, that's down from a cadet bird. But anyway, this is what we got. This is what's going on in Vero Beach. When I finish this, I'm going in my hot tub. So if you're not going to leave, you can't leave right now because they won't let you. But when you're ready to come, I'll be looking for that plane. I'll be saying again, where's your ticket? When are you going to open up a feed store? What are we going to do in Vero Beach? So if you're thinking of running away from New York and New Jersey, look for the future. Vero Beach, if there is a Vero Beach after this. Okay, we'll cut it short because then it takes Alex too long to download and they'll say I'm a pain in the ass. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe. Keep the pigeon sport alive. And to all my friends up north who's watching, be careful. I miss you all. Looks like I'm not going to be able to make that trip up there to see you this year. That's it. Keep them flying. This is Mandara Loft signing off. We're out of here.